it is a lot of fun. I have enjoyed it. I'm also having an issue with one of the front wheels, the left wheel. I feel like the brake rotor has warp. So I just picked one up today. I had ordered it last week, and I'm hoping to change that out. I feel it, I hear it, I'm sorry, I hear it rubbing a little bit. But otherwise, it hasn't really given me any problems since I've had it. I've owned it for a couple months now. Put this little gauge spoiler on. Really doesn't do anything. I don't think so. I painted it red and I put the white decal on it in the front. Pretty much messed it up when I was painting it, so I had to put a decal on it. But not overthinking it. The more you ride it, the less you'll feel that, you know, you feel tense on it. You know, you just kind of gotta go with the flow with it. A lot of people get it, and at first I was like that. I was holding on to gear life on it. I was uncomfortable on it, and I went from 2 wheels. And before I changed the links on it too, I really couldn't put it more up than 55 miles per hour on the highway. I felt weird on it. I just felt like I was gonna fall off. I felt drunk, and I don't drink, so I was kind of awkward for a little bit. But with the end links, I feel a little different. And then adjusting the suspension a little bit in the front, it was different. Can't get past it because I will hit the tires on the right. I'm so used to with a bike just being able to swing in, pass everybody up. This is like driving a car just with a handlebar, so it is what it is. It does feel nice though. The braking on it is great too. You'll love it. This is still considered Bloomfield. It's nice around here. It's quiet. Not sure how much wind you get. I'm gonna leave the lid open a little bit. I want to see how it sounds. We'll see how that sounded. I think this section here turns into Clifton already. Now we're in Clifton, New Jersey.